is Sin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a different kind of video. I had to buy a MacBook Pro because my iMac unfortunately started to get really slow. So here's the box. It's a MacBook Pro. I went ahead and got the 16-inch because I do lots of I use it for video editing and I wanted it to be fast, and it's a big investment, I know, but I usually don't buy a new computer for 5 years. See how much I love it? It's so pretty. You know, you don't need anything like this or as expensive, but like I said, it's an investment. If you like this type of videos, well, mostly it won't be a unboxing video of a computer, but card making tutorials, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So I took the top off and I took the MacBook out. It comes with the USB-C charger and this huge brick. I'll probably be using that to charge all my other Apple products that have a USB-C, like my iPad Pro. I don't think it's recommended, but I'm going to do it and see what happens. There's the sticker, the Apple sticker. I haven't used it before, but I might put it on something. And that is the instruction booklet, I guess. I also bought Apple Care. I don't know if it's a good thing or not, but I always buy Apple Care just in case, as these products are quite expensive, and I want to make sure that they get any warranty, any extended warranty, just in case. You never know. So here it is. I got the space gray. It only comes in silver or space gray, but I got this space gray this time. My other computer, which again broke, well, it's not broken, it's just super slow, and it's over 5 years old, is an iMac, so it's a desktop version. So I'm going to probably be using this going forward and transfer my information from my iMac to this one. But it's so pretty. Oh, I got it the wrong way. I haven't had a MacBook in a while. So I opened it up and it's so pretty. It has the new Magic Keyboard, which I'm liking. I have been using it for a couple days. It's so fast. I'm editing this video in iMovie using it, and it's smooth as silk. So here it is. It's so pretty. Thanks for watching, and here's another couple videos you might like. Thanks and bye.